Hello, hello, hello. Ayan, mag-share lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung may gising pa sa inyo. Naman ng live patulog na eh. Ni Juro. I-upload ko na lang, matulog ka na. OMG, nakaka-high blood ang mga kaganapan. Alam mo, Romy Ray, sa totoo lang. Iniisip ko talaga, magla-live ba ako? Putang ina. Magla-live ba ako? Kasi baka mamaya kung ano-ano yung pagsasabihin ko. Alam mo yun. Magla-live ba ako? Baka mamaya sobrang bad trip ko kung ano-ano yung mga masabi ko. Sobrang nakaka-high blood, putang ina. Alam mo, I try to be very, very level-headed dun sa administration ni PBBM. And, alam mo yon yung... Kasi ayaw mong di ba ayaw mong maging maharlika di ba? Yung ayaw mong maging sobrang galit. Pero ngayon naiintindihan mo na kung bakit galit na galit si Maharlika. Di ba? Tuloy ba talaga yung ICC plans ni PBBM? Sabi ni Rona. It's very likely to happen. NDF nga, nag-peace talks na tayo eh. For me, mas malaking bagay yun kaysa yung sa ICC. Putang ina. Diba? Sobrang early. Sobrang early ba?
Ate Joey!
Joey! Alam mo ba, nag-live kami kasi hindi ka nag-live.
Talaga? Kailan kanina?
What,
Ngayon lang kami na si Haya.
Joey, pinapanood ko yung live niyo parang yesterday ata yun, yung merong umakyat from Virginia, US. Oh my God, promise.
Nagsagat sa tita, no?
Alam mo ate, feel ko yung mura niya. As in, kahit ako gusto ko mura.
Ang tawag dito, sabi ko nga, nag-leave ako ng message dun sa nag-leave ako ng message sa wall ni Maharlika. For the longest time, hindi ko masakyan yung galit ni Maharlika. Alam mo yon? For the longest time, kanina kakasimula pa lang, Mr. Jupiter Silence. Abangan na naman ang patayan dahil peace talks yan. Ang tawag dito? Ano yung sinasabi ko kanina? Ano ko? Nakalimutan ko talaga. Wala ako.
Nag-leave ka ng message kay, or comment kay
Maharlika. Ako ng message sa wall ni Maharlika. Sabi ko, there are many things that there may be a lot of stories that you weren't able to prove directly. But you definitely filled in the gaps to make us understand why this country is so fucked up. Kasi noon di ba, sino ba nakakaintindi sa galit ni Maharlika noon, di ba? Sino nakakaintindi sa galit ni Maharlika noon?
Naintindihan ko yung actually from the first place, nagets ko rin sa Maharlika, pero sa akin sana, meron siyang proof sana.
Oo. Di ba? Yun naman yung hiningi natin, di ba?
Yun. Pero yung sabi ko, teka lang. Let's parang sa akin, let's ride the waters. Tignan natin ano mangyayari for the future months, for a year after. Nagkatotoo.
Correct.
Hi, Miss Joy.
Hi,
So,
si Hi.
nag-live kami kanina kasi si Zeffy gusto niyang pag-usapan to. So, pero nag-live ka so lumipat kami lahat dito. Kasi mga Bisaya lang din kami.
Nakita ko ng gising. Nakakatulog kasi ako ng dinner time.
Pero,
Dinner time sa gigising ako 1:00 na 12:00. Ganun.
yeah. Pero grabe, Miss Joy, share ko lang. Kasi yesterday, binge watching ako sa mga talks ni Maharlika. Tapos, alam ko na yung info na si Clarita Carlos yung parang pinahiya before. Pero parang sobrang na-shock ako yung sinabi niya na Clarita Carlos is keeping quiet because she feels she is scared for her life. So parang oh my God, like someone, a political scientist or someone from the academic is being threatened for her ideas.
Oo.
What kind of government do we have now? We normal citizens are being threatened.
I know.
Nakakaloka.
Diyos ko, eto.
Hmm.
In one day, sobrang daming bullshit. As in talaga yung nakakaiyak talaga sa galit. Yung talagang, kaya kami nag-live ni Sas noon. Sabi ko, girl, tara live tayo. Putang ina. Ano ba to? Ganyan. Grabe yung una, yung sa SMNI, ganyan. You know, to certain extent, it is really, nakakaano talaga, yung abhor talaga yung ginawa nila sa SMNI. But, to certain extent, you would understand kung bakit sila galit na galit sa SMNI di ba? So, syempre, sige, ginanyan nyo yung SMNI, ganyan. Pero parang,
Yung congressman nga yan, na na parang pinoint out niya yung sa SMNI, sinong congressman nga yan, nakalimutan ko.
JJ.
Oh, mm
Parang isang like, they were always criticizing Duterte for being a fascist, no, before. But these are what fascists do. They're trying to control everyone and try to hit everyone who disagrees. Before, sila Maria Ressa lang, mga ganun. Kasi naman, may basis naman yung mga, like, how the government was trying to counter their claims, no? Pero this one, even normal
there is something
Filipinos.
fundamentally wrong with Rappler.
Yes, exactly.
They were not run after because they're exercising their free speech. They were being run after because they violated the Constitution. They were foreign owned.
They were
Diba?
also twisting a lot of information.
Yeah,
So-
yeah. Sabihin na natin sinungaling sila or whatsoever, but they weren't run after because of that. It is the people who are actually very, very frustrated and and aghast dun sa mga fake news nila and mga paninira nila and whatsoever. But they weren't run after because of that. They were run after because there is something fundamentally wrong dun sa incorporation nila. Diba?
Exactly. So, removing SMNI from a social media is fascism. Parang people don't realize na nakakaloka. And it's very quiet. No, people. There's no clamor for this whole situation. Yung lang, or hindi pa nakakaalam yung karamihan. And then SMNI was just questioning, like, a very valid thing a news network or a journalist should be asking. You should be asking the right question, like, what are you doing with our funds? Why is there 1.8 billion travel fund?
Pero question din kasi is, yung congressman na to, na nag-point out and question yung, na tinitira yung prangkisa ng SMNI, hindi ba nila alam na before the program will start, especially if it's a commentary style program, di ba may disclaimer? Tingin nyo buong SMNI nagre-reflect dun sa opinion ng isang tao? I mean,
It's not an opinion.
Actually,
It was a question.
ito yung hindi ko mag-get, Romy Ray. Actually, merong sa comment section ko na nagsabi na, dapat kasi pag nag-allege sila, dapat sigurado. Dapat kasi pag nag-ano sila, dapat sigurado, ganyan. Actually, the information wasn't sure. They mentioned during the commentary that they weren't sure. They receive an information. The information says that there is 1.8 travel expenses kay Martin Romualdez, okay? There is 1.8 travel expenses kay Martin Romualdez. Magkano ang travel expenses ng House of Representatives?
1.8.
Something billion?
1.8 billion, I think, yung last narinig ko.
Mas malaki dyan a little bit higher than that Parang 2.66 billion. So 1.8 is well within that budget. 'Di ba? 1.8 is well within that budget. Ngayon, yung kasing yung kasing argument na dapat pagka mag-aano ka, dapat sure kasi paninira yan. Pagka pera po ng bayan pinag-uusapan natin, the burden of proof is always on the public official. Diyos me!
Tsaka ano naman natin,
Yan.
Joey, ang very balat sibuyas. Kush.
Yung isip ko, masyadong onion skin. My God!
Ano? I can't believe I can't believe that people that I campaign with side by side would say something like that.
Buti na lang talaga hindi ako super hard campaigner ng BBM na yan.
Ina. Hindi kasi dapat merong proof na siya talaga. Una-una, paano nga natin malalaman na hindi nga nag-liquidate yung mga putang inang yan?
And to think, Miss Joey, it was only SMNI who provided him a platform.
Oh,
Imagine, kapal ng mukha ni BBM.
It's not only parang once lang na nag-backstab siya the Dutertes put their political capital para lang mailibing yung tatay niya sa libingan ng mga bayani na pwede naman nilang ilibing sa Ilocos yon. Second is the SMNI. Third, si Inday. Shit, ang ina, ganyan talaga yung mga Marcosas traidor.
alam mo, naiisip ko, ngayon,
Wait lang, Romero. Sa akin, yung the straw that broke the camel's back is the peace talks with NDF.
din Ate Joey, dyan ako nagagalit.
Putang ina.
Sa totoo lang, dyan ako napamura yung sinabi lang peace talks. There's no peace talks dapat. My gosh. Kami experience namin yan dito No way.
As in. Ano talaga? Ginutom ako sa galit Yan pala kumakain.
Sarap niya na.
Miss Joy, if Maharlika's claims are true, no, nakakatakot kasi no one is speaking up because they're all scared for their lives and the lives of their family. And these are not, these are just normal people, no, parang nagiging triangulation na, okay, if you speak up, pigilan ka ng ano mo.
Alam mo si Aya, ito talaga yung chismis dyan. Kasi ako, marami akong naririnig na chismis. Kasi sobrang dami ko talaga naririnig na chismis. Kasi nga lang, syempre, I cannot verbalize it. Kasi I cannot prove it Pero ito yung mga chismis na, ito yung mga chismis na kumakalat. Immediately after the day 1, what the BBM camp did is really to ally with all the mainstream media. So, yun daw talaga yung unang binayaran. And, so that is why, tingnan mo, di ba, the mainstream media is attacking Inday Sara incessantly, but they don't attack BBM. Isn't that weird? Di ba? Ayun.
Tahimik.
yun,
Very tahimik.
yan. Tingnan mo si Richard Haydar yan. 'Di ba? Biglang agree na sa mga foreign policies ni PBB.
International media.
Joe
Before yung campaign period niya, international media was hitting him as being the son of the dictator. You don't hear that anymore. You don't hear the son of the dictator term anymore in international media.
Correct. Yung constantly na naririnig ko na chismis is that the problem with this administration, all of a sudden, they wanted to buy everyone. Ganon. Yun yung lagi ko naririnig Ngayon na sinabi ko, for the longest time, ayokong bigyan masyado ng premium yung mga ganon, yung mga ganong usapan. Kasi how can I prove it? Diba? I cannot prove it. Diba? But if you're going to be very, very observant, you're really going to ask na, bakit nga kasi nagkaganon? Bakit iba na yung bakit iba na yung tono nung mga tao? Diba? Yung mga kakamping nga ngayon supportahan na natin si BBM, di ba? Yung mga kakamping ngayon, sila na yung nagagaganon Sila na yung parang, kakamping ako but I support PBBM now. Yung parang, malamang, yung mga arte May ano ngayon ni BBM ngayon, parang Mama Lenny na nga ganyan. So yun, that's what they did. So that is why, panay, panay good things yung mga nasasabi sa, you know, there's really no critics in mainstream media. Wala talagang critics sa wala talagang very critical sa BBM administration. Ang critical sa BBM administration, vloggers. Because they cannot be bought.
At saka, Ate Joey, we cannot do EDSA anymore eh. We cannot do EDSA anymore kasi hindi na nga siya gumana sa panahon ng GMA eh.
No, I
So-
think and some would only be visible if there is
Ako tingin ko ha, Seth, sorry Seth.
magugulo nga.
Ako tingin ko ha, we really have to think of something creative. We cannot really duplicate what was already done in the past. Kasi kung kunwari, may sabi ka Romy Ray. Kasi kung kunwari, mag-EDSA tayo, mag-people power tayo, you know, hindi tanga yung mga may kapangyarihan para hindi mapigil yan. So you don't do something that is predictable.
True.
PRRD had shown that the way to beat power and money is by surprising them. Kaya nga siya nanalo di ba? Di ba?
Guys, candidate.
We really, we have to be very, very intelligent in approaching this. If we want to make change, if we want to be, if we want to exercise our political rights, let's do it by exercising it intelligently.
For me, Miss Joy, kasi ibang panahon na to wala, you can't rely on kids to go on the streets, no? Lahat na online na. Pero ang effective ngayon is to boycott because it's the oligarchs have the money, they have the higher influence to move policies. So if you boycott them, feel nila yung wala na silang pera, nasasaktan yung earnings nila. Doon magiging mas effective. So and you're also not putting your life in danger, makiki-EDSA ganyan.
It has to be creative si Haya, Yeah, that might be an option. Actually, that's a pretty good idea, ganyan. Ang point here is, if we're going to do a people's movement, we have to approach it in a way na dapat talagang matalino. Ganun. Hindi yung yung parang, hindi, lumabas na tayo, ganyan. Naintindihan ko yun nakakagalit kasi talaga at saka parang putang pag ako nai-imagine ko na parang, puta lalagyan nila ng posa si PRRD. Yung mga ganun, parang feeling ko ready talaga ako magwala sa kalsada.
Or I think, Miss Joey, that would be the yan, if ever worst comes to worst, PRRD will be locked up. I think yan talaga yung parang fuel to lit up the fire.
That will be the tipping point.
Yeah.
That's the tipping
However,
point.
again, but we have to be very smart in approaching this. So, kailangan talaga, if ever that is going to happen, we have to approach it in a way na it has to be organized. It must sustain commitment from everyone.
But Joey,
For a long haul.
di ba, pero
Kailangan natin mag-isip ng something na yung movement that can be done for a very long time, consistently. Something that will solicit commitment. A movement that can gain traction as time goes by. Those are the things that we have to think about. If we're going to go on that track. So, yun kasi nga hindi naman talaga mahirap to ask an ordinary person to go out of the street and hindi siya effective na ganun. So in fact, Inday Sara up until this very moment is expressing her her support with the president. So kumbaga parang parang yung mga hindi kasi rin ako fan ng ano nung parang, let's bring down Eme.
Mm-mm.
It's really more of verbalizing and verbalizing and forcing them to listen to us. Ayun.
Pero Ate Joey, I think yung EDSA people power will not be effective. It's because it's not backed by the US money. Usually ang yung mga EDSA na effective is only is backed by the US. So so that's the answer on why EDSA is not it will not be effective.
Sabi ni Kuya Jay dito sa comments, need pa nila makapasok ng Davao bago mangyari yan. Ang tanong, makakapasok ba? Actually, dapat itanong mo rin sa mga Davaoenos, kaya nyo bang pigilan ang mga yan na kunin si PRRD?
Of course.
Feeling ko sa Davao. I think, no? I think yung mga taga Davao would really...
Bang isakripisyo buhay nyo for that?
Actually, I think what will happen kasi may mga chika din kasi dito na before yung mga NPA before, they're actually living here in Davao. So kaya mag-mobilize nun. Yung mga nag-ano na
rebels?
Oh yes, former rebels
to
na
protest, to organize to protest.
Kaya yan.
Ayun. So, tingin ko yung yung if there's going to be any movement to protest what's going on, it has to be really organized, and it has to be really it has to be well thought of. Hope, ayan, total nandito si Hope. Hope, I cannot understand why you think that asking details for people's money is something that you have to be sure of before you ask questions. Sorry, Hope,
Joey, ang nakakatakot kasi 'di ba? Magkakaroon na naman ng peace talks. There are a lot of peace talks that happened before, yet it's not successful. So how will it be different this time? Pero kung ako mismo I don't wanna do.
Reason why they're going to conduct a TikTok with NDF. Root cause daw.
Uy, tagal na yung root cause, Diyos ko.
Just go root cause. Teka,
Kung root cause yung nila.
Yung kausap ko sa comment section Sabi kasi ni Hope, wala daw, ang burden of proof daw nasa SMNI. Hope, pagka pera ng bayan ang pinag-uusapan, ang burden of proof niyan, laging nasa government officials.
Correct.
Pagka tinanong yung government officials kung paano ginastos yung pera natin, dapat sumasagot sila. No excuses, no ifs, no buts.
And the House of the Representatives should remember that they are voted by the people. They are the representative of the people. Natural, may karapatan din kami mag-question sa pera namin.
Oo, sabi niya, because there is staff from Congress na may nakita daw siyang amount. Oh, edi ngayon, merong nakarating na information. Di tinatanong natin sila.
Bang tanungin sila?
Ano yan? 1.8? Under your account daw yan, Martin Romualdez.
Ito dapat ang tandaan natin, guys.
Wait lang, Romy Ray. Why would you assume that is considered paninira?
Oo lang naman. Legitimate question. Bawal sagutin?
Diyos me. Parang, I do not understand I do not understand, Hope, why you are actually giving them like a premium na, no, they will not answer because that 1.8 is not proven. Hindi nga proven! Kaya nga tinatanong dahil ang makakaalam lang niyan ay House of Representatives. Sige nga, is there way for you to know how they spend our money? Is there any way for you to know how they spend our money? None. Ni payment to and expenses, payment made and expenses incurred, ni wala silang report nun. Ni yung very, very general na report, ni yun, wala silang ganong report. Saan niya nakuha ang 1.8? It's not your business to know. It is for the Congress to explain. Just me. Ano sa'yo kung kaninong nakuha? Bakit mas importante sa'yo kung sino yung nagbigay ng information na yun? Di kung gusto mong itumba yung tao na nagbigay ng information, itumba mo. But that information is not important to me. Bakit importante sa'yo kung kanino niya nakuha? Unnamed source nga yun ng SMNI eh. That was their talking points.
Correct. And no one will reveal their sources. Even
You can
Rafi
say it
Tulfo.
kahit si VP sabihin natin may 240 billion siyang nakuha or travel allowance. Yes. And then VP, you can actually see it in VP's website kung paano niya ginastos. And kaya nga walang pumipigil sa 125 ng ano eh. Sige, pag-usapan yun, 125, 100. Kasi meron naman talaga. Ngayon, magkano yung travel expenses ng ng Congress? 2 billion? 1.8 ang sinasabi dito, allegedly 1.8 is under Martin Romualdez account. Then explain to us how it was spent. Meron bang pumigil kahit isa na magsalita tungkol sa budget ni Inday? Because it's people's money, everybody can talk about it, Hope. And I can't believe you are so nonchalant about this. I mean, this is very, very disappointing, ha? Kasi parang kasalanan pa ng tao na magtanong tungkol sa pera nila. And I think you are enabling yung not asking questions, eh. And for me, that is unacceptable, Hope. I can't believe that. I'm sorry, Hope, but I can't believe that. Alam mo, ang dapat gawin nila Martin Romualdez? Pahiyain nila yung SMNI if that's not true. Okay, we have X amount of travel fund in Congress. And this is allocated in this manner. The office of the House of Representatives only spent 500 million pesos in travels. O, edi napahiya yung SMNI. Dinawalan pa ng kredibilidad yung SMNI. That's how you deal with it. Tapos kung feeling ninyo sobrang sama nung ginawa ng SMNI, i-demanda nyo. I-demanda nyo ng libel. That's a civilized person would do. Ganun yung approach doon. Hindi yung re-reviewin nyo yung prangkisa kasi nanira sila. Again, part of your freedom to express is the freedom to offend. That's a guaranteed right. Diba? Now, whether or not what SMNI did transgress the law, whether or not it is something that can be considered libel, the Congress is actually, the Congress can actually avail of such remedy if they want to, seek redress sa paninira. Ganun yun. But you cannot tell people, ay, hindi ka po pwedeng kasi nanira, so huwag ka magtanong kasi naman. That's just so very disappointing. Considering na walang audit via receipts ang Congress. In fact, kahit anong tanong, pwedeng itanong ng lahat ng babayad ng tax. And there's no reason for you to justify na sino ba kasi nagbigay? It's not our business to know. What we know is that merong magkano yung budget ng Congress? 13, how much was that? 13 billion? 22 billion? Our business is to know how they spent our money. Kung may nagchuchu sa kanilang ganyan, problema ng Congress yun. Hindi mo problema yun. Bakit kailangan mo malaman kung sino nagchuchu? Ang kailangan ng Congress mag-explain kung paano nila ginastos. Nope, you're indefinite. No, I am in a scenario wherein a rational citizen is going to ask for our money. Actually, ikaw yung nasa different scenario. Nandun ka sa scenario na parang tagapagtanggol ka ng House of Representatives. Ang concern mo nandun sa mga congressmen, wala sa tao. Vim. Invite sent Hope.
Hi, madam.
Go.
Hello. Okay. Okay. First, I'm just on the data itself. Don't say any 1.8 million kapag 1.8 million pesos if it's not verified. That's just my premise.
What is
Okay?
verification
Just
for you? How are we
for
going to
me,
verify it,
you have
Hope?
to just verify it first
How are
because
you going to
no,
verify it,
no.
Hope?
Saan niya nakuha yung 1.8 billion na
From the
amount?
source. From the source.
Yeah, who's the source? Saan niya nakuha? Dapat yun yung
Why
makita eh.
would you want to know who's the source,
No,
Hope?
because you can always, kasi you can
Because?
tell everything na, oh, kahit si, ano ko lang, si ganito amount, pwede mong siraan kahit sinong congressman dyan. Para lang, para
Hope, do they
masiraan.
have
Like for
money or
example,
not?
Congressman Paulo Duterte, sabihin mo na may 3 million
Sige,
siyang
hayaan
gastos.
mo siya
Pero
mag-explain.
yun yung point ko eh.
No,
Yung point lang
Hope.
is you have to
One
verify
question, one
it.
question.
Pero,
Do they have their money or not?
I'm sorry?
Do they have our money or not?
They have their
Oh,
money.
tapos ang question.
No, ang ano ko lang, bakit?
Verification yung gusto
Kasi,
mo sabihin.
no, kasi,
Ano yung gusto mo i-verify?
no, take it easy, madam. I'm not, di mo ako kalaban. Di mo ako kalaban. Di mo ako kalaban.
What verification do you want? You already said they have our money. That is your
Yes.
verification.
Pero ang sa akin kasi, you're insinuating. Ako, hindi ako
Yes, we are
pro-Congress.
insinuating.
Insinuating.
Exactly, Hope.
No, kasi,
We are insinuating.
madam.
You know why we are insinuating, Hope? Because they have our money.
no, kasi hindi
know.
hindi ginagawa. No,
Bakit bawal mag-insinuate? Nasa kanila yung pera natin.
because
Because?
you are singling him out.
Yes! He's being singled out because siya ang may control ng pera.
No, you're singling him out lang. Because ayaw nyo siya. Because ayaw mo siya.
Yeah.
Hope.
That's it.
Can I say
Ayaw
something?
niya.
Singled out. O, ano
No.
problema mo doon?
You're singling him out because kaya pwede mo naman sabihin si congressman
It could be
ganito.
any other congressman, but it has to be
Yes,
Martin
yes, it can be. Pero
Okay.
you're singling him out for that reason.
Hope will ask why
I understand where you're coming from. I
Hope they're
understand
also
kasi
asking the
galit kayo
DNR
because of the-
secretary. Is the DNR secretary being
because-
singled out?
No, sinabi, ano na nga sila.
No.
na
Answer
hindi
my
nga
question.
totoo
Is the
yan.
DNR secretary being singled out? Because people are asking the DNR secretary what the travel expenses are. And then my second question is that how do you verify if you
No,
have a
kasi
source
sa
asking,
DNR,
saying na may
hello,
ganitong
Yaya.
funds?
Yung
No,
sa
ask,
DNR,
answer my
merong
question
data
muna. How
yun.
do you verify nga
May data
if
yung
there
kay-
is a source?
May source
How do you
mismo at
verify?
nakita ni...
You ask a question, diba? And what did
No.
SMNI do? They ask a
I'm just
question.
asking you. Hello, tinasagot ko yung tanong mo, si Aya.
Wait lang.
I'm
Wait lang tayo dun sa single out. Wait lang, Hope. Wait lang.
Wait lang, sasabihin ko muna yung
wait lang.
tanong niya.
Doon lang tayo dun sa point mo na yun kasi hindi mo sinasagot, ine-evade mo eh. Yung sinasabi mo na ba't mo we are insinuating. Yes, we are insinuating. Wala tayong pag-uusapan doon. We are insinuating that this is something that the House Speaker allegedly spent. That's the insinuation. Okay? You also confirm that our money is with them. Right? Okay. So, wala tayong problema doon. Ang problema mo lang yung figure, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yung problema mo lang yung figure.
Yeah, that's my problem. Because,
Ano away natin dito?
why? Wala tayong away. Wala. Kaya nga nagugulat ako bakit you're insinuating also
Ano
me
yung problema mo?
na
Ba't ayaw mo
against.
magtanong?
No.
Ba't ayaw
Ang
mo
tanong ko lang
magtanong
doon
kay
kasi, pwede kasing madam na pwedeng asking question is like this. Ako, I'm okay with the question eh. Questioning the Congress, I'm okay with it. 100%, 200% questioning the Congress where the money goes, okay yan. Ang sa akin kasi dyan is, like for example, the question might be, is like this. Oh, can you show Martin Romuald where the 1.8 million? Or the Congress will show. No.
Did you watch
Galing kasi, ang sinasabi kasi niya is galing mismo. No. Ang sinasabi niya is galing mismo kay MR. kay Martin Romualdez talaga agad. Yung kasi tinanong ni Badoy kasi is it the whole Congress? Is it the whole No. Sabi ni Eric, will be only with MR. So talagang very clear siya doon. So ang tanong ko lang dito, if it's verified, yung yun na nagaling talaga kay MR yung whole. Kasi yung item na yon should be
Okay.
yes, may receipts.
Hope. If it's verified, ba't pa sila magtatanong?
No, kasi
Akusa na lang sila.
Yung first,
inakusa na nga, madam eh. Inakusa na eh. Na kay MR yun eh. Kay MR to. Very clear sa...
It's very clear.
Very clear
Did you
siya.
watch the entire clip?
No,
It's
very clear siya.
Martin
Hindi, yung clip na yun.
Romualdez can either
No.
deny categorically or confirm.
No, sinabi niya kasi
Sinabi niya
doon. No, yung ano ko sa clip na yun na mismong nakaano. Na talagang sinabi niya, very clear siya.
The problem is your interpretation. Your interpretation and the Congress interpretation. Actually, you share with the Congress of the way they interpreted that insinuation. Parehas
Exactly,
ng Congress
madam.
ng movie.
Exactly, madam.
Feeling
That
nyo,
interpretation, I'm shared with Congress. I'm shared with Congress with the interpretation. Pero it doesn't mean your interpretation.
Wait lang ha, I give you time to speak eh. When someone is talking, you can also give them time. Kasi I give you the floor naman when it's your time to speak eh. Okay lang? Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, here's the thing. You cannot just say na, hindi kasi in-insinuate na nila. Yes, he's a public official. He has our money. They don't have liquidation via receipts. Okay? Now, hindi ko maintindihan why you make it a big deal na parang, kasi sinabi nila 1.8. You know what? It's possible. It's possible that the 1.8 is under the account of Martin Romualdez. It's possible din na siya lang yung nag-approve at iba naman pala talaga yung gumamit. Maaaring 1.8 nakaatado lang sa opisina niya pero ang end user, iba pala. They just have to explain. Ngayon, ang hindi ko
Ako,
mag-gets,
madam.
why you make it, wait lang, ang hindi ko mag-gets, why you make, kasi inallege na nila, ganyan-ganyan. You know, even if it's true that 1.8 is under Martin Romualdez account, it doesn't mean na siya yung nakinabang dun lahat. Pero kayo, iniisip nyo na, pinagbintangan, ginasod.
That's how it is,
information
madam.
something that cannot
No.
be... No.
Madam,
Wait lang.
it doesn't-
Hindi pa ako tapos, ho. Is that information insinuated by SMNI something that they cannot explain? Kasi yun ang mas kaduda-duda. Yun yung dapat concern nating mga Pilipino. Kasi itong bagay na to, you should be able to explain it as quick as that. Kung talagang ginastos nyo yan honestly. 'Di ba? Ngayon, bakit pinapatay ninyo yung nagtatanong? Kasi hindi naman sigurado yung 1.8 talaga kay Martin Romualdez lang. You know what? Maaaring nakaatado yun lahat sa opisina ni Martin Romualdez pero maaaring hindi naman pala talaga siya gumamit. Then, the expenses is justified. Right? O ba't kayo galit na galit ngayon? Nagtatanong pa lang. Bakit hindi kayo mag-focus sa explanation at hindi dun sa kung kanino nila nakuha yung information sa Congress? Go, Hope. It's your time.
Okay. I'm with you with questioning the Congress. I'm just very particular of the amount of data. Why? Because that data can give you 1,000 words rather than very vague. Like, for example, there is a certain unaccounted for in the line of Martin Romualdez of amount. There's no amount because that billion is quite ringing to the bell of different people. A lot of people is ringing bell to that. 1 yan, laki niya, sobrang laki niya. It's very, yon. Pero if it says that it's unaccounted, very particular ako sa numbers because that's insinuated something. Ang laki nun eh. Ang laki nun. 1.8 billion kagad. Sayang yung pera, sana ginastos na lang sa iba yon. That's my call. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin, because of that questioning, I'm with you na hindi pwedeng questionin din yung planchisa ni SMNI. Because of that question, I am with you with that. Hindi ako, I am against with that Congress na sinasabi nila na kailangan nilang imbestigahan ng SMNI just because of that questioning. My point lang dito is we need to be careful. Especially, ako personally lang naman to. That's my personally. That and your interpretation doesn't mean it's right as well. and our interpretation also doesn't mean it's right as well. But this is our interpretation on that certain clip na nakita ko doon. So, ang sa akin lang, we have to be careful, especially SMNI, because it's a media. And a lot of people are looking forward. I'm with SMNI from kahit KPRD pa na kay SMNI. Pero yung ganong klase kasing, we need to back it up with certain resources. Na like, for example, there's certain document na it says stated that kahit hindi na kay galing kay source, may certain document lang na it's 1.8. That's my point lang. That's it. That's it lang naman sa akin, Miss Joey. Yun lang naman talaga sa akin. But the rest, I'm okay with questioning the numbers. I'm okay with it. Basta may backup lang tayong data. Hindi lang pwedeng sinabi lang. Kasi ang hirap noon, sinabi lang eh. Pwede naman natin sabihin, may sinabi si ganito, may sinabi si ganito. Kailangan may backup tayong data.
Hope,
When insinuating something.
I'm sorry to interject ha, but I
Si
really don't
Haya,
get your point. I
wait
really
lang.
don't get your point. No, I want to end it kasi paulit-ulit ka eh. I don't get your point because the number is irrelevant. There is a source saying from the Congress saying na there is
It's
a
relevant.
money
If you
amount. There is a certain money amount which is in this case 1.8 billion. So let's say irrelevant yan. Let's say na there is a certain money that's being spent na hindi natin alam, and that's why they're asking a question so that we can get an explanation, 'di ba? So what's wrong with
Haya,
that?
sabi ko nga, number it speaks for itself. Malaki yon. May ibang interpretation
Hope,
yung numbers.
kasi ganito yan, okay? Teka lang Yung kasi sinasabi mo na dapat kasi, hindi po pwedeng sinabi lang, welcome to public space, okay? Welcome to public space. Ang sa akin kasi hindi ko magets why pinag-iingat mo yung mga taong magtanong rather than, bakit dun mo nilalagay yung energy mo kesa ask accountability from the people who are in power.
Because siguro media si SMNI, madam. Ako, walang problema ako kung sino man nagsabi nun eh. Pero,
And so ngayon kung
ako
media
kasi,
sila.
dapat trusted
Hope,
kasi ang SMNI.
pwede ako magtanong sa'yo, Hope.
So you're saying their source is not credible, ganun ba?
Pwede ako magtanong,
Should
Hope.
be credible
Okay.
yung resources nila. Should be, kasi SMNI is a
Wait lang.
media.
Magtatanong si Palag at pagkatapos si Haya. Wait lang tapusin ko lang tong point ko. Yung sa sinabi mo kasi, nandito yung, kinukuha ko yung House of Representative, GAA, para malaman natin yung travel expenses nila sa budget nila. 2.66 billion ang travel expenses nila. Hope. Okay? So the 1.8 billion is well within the 2.66 billion budget. So isn't that reasonable to ask that question? So ngayon yung sinasabi mo kasi na parang, saan nila nakuha yung 1.8? Saan nila It is for the House of Representatives to ask because it is within their budget.
Yeah.
Oh, ngayon, parang sa akin, ang tinatanong mo kasi, sino ba kasi yung nagbigay sa kanila ng
No,
information?
siguro, single out, ako personally, yung 2.66 billion, siguro we have to ask that. Ako personally, we have to ask that, saan napunta lahat yon. Pero ang inaano ko lang kasi dito, we single out one person to have that. Sa akin, we can ask
Okay,
that.
wait, sorry kasi ito kanina yung naputol rin yung explanation ko dyan. Yes, Martin, sinabi ko nga, hindi nga issue yung single out, sinisingle out talaga siya. Ngayon, hindi mo naman ina-explain kung bakit masama siyang i-single out. Sinisingle out si Martin Romualdez siya kasi siya yung may control ng budget ng House of Representative. Siya ang pumipirma ng lahat ng cheque doon. Tapos, hindi ko maintindihan, ba't sinisingle out? Yes, sinisingle out talaga siya. Kasi siya yung may control doon. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung bakit kino-question mo yun.
Kasi siguro lumalabas kasi Miss Joey na because of what is happening.
No. With this explanation, now that you know that he's really being singled out, now that you know that he is actually the one who signed all the checks in Congress, okay, na siya may control ng budget, issue pa ba sa'yo yung sinisingle out si Martin Romualdez?
I don't think it's an issue.
Exactly. Then, we're done here. Palagkalipi. Ano yung tanong mo?
Yung sinasabing amount ba, napatunayan na nasa kanya allocated kay ano, di ba? Tama ba, Hope?
Ano po?
Di ba allocated naman talaga sa kanya yung pera, di ba? Kay Martin Romualdez, tama?
Hindi po naka-allocate. Wala pong nakalagay.
Siya po ang nag-a-approve, di ba?
Siya nag-approve pero hindi siya
Oo
allocated.
nga, pero di siya ang in charge dun sa pera. So, ano yung problema dun sa sinabi nung SMNI? Di ba totoo yung sinabi nila na may pera nga talagang napunta kila Martin Romualdez?
May pera pero doesn't mean the amount.
So, hindi
Nandun.
ang ano doon, ang kinukuha mo dapat doon, Hope, kung totoo yung sinabi nung SMNI na may pera. Hindi yung kailangan mo pang hanapin yung paper trail kung saan kinuha nung SMNI yung information. Ang dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin kung tama ba yung information na inilabas ng SMNI.
Which
Palagkalipi
HOR
naman.
can
Doesn't
very
mean
well
yun lang
verify.
ako nakatuon. Doesn't mean hindi na ako nakatuon sa iba. Kinwestiyon ko lang yung 1.8. Doesn't mean hindi ako nakatuon sa iba.
Eh
Kung
mga
two incidents-
kino-question, ang problema, yung kino-question mo
Ang problema
1.8,
kasi-
meron talaga. Ang problema nga, Hope,
doesn't mean
meron
the
nga
number
eh.
itself. Kailangan lang ipaliwanag nila, which is okay. Pinapaliwanag naman.
SMNI yan, media yan. Hindi pwede, may karapatan silang hindi i-divulge yung kanilang sources of information dahil
Pero
pinoprotection
as media-
nila yun. Kailangan
pero
nilang
as
proteksyonan
media-
yun. Ngayon, para
as
mangyari,
media, palag,
makinig ka
as
muna,
media, kailangan
para makinig ka muna, Hope.
verified.
Oo, Hope,
Ah,
makinig ka
kahit
muna,
tapusin
Hope.
yung point mo.
Makinig ka muna, Hope. Ngayon, para i-release nila kung sino yung source nila, kailangan mo ng court order, Hope. Kasi karapatan ng SMNI na proteksyonan ng kanilang sources. Kasi this is valuable information. Ngayon, kung yung sinabi nilang pera na 1.8 billion na yun, baseless, wala talagang perang ganun, at hindi napunta kay Martin Romualdez, saka mo ngayon tanongin yung SMNI, saan nyo kinukuha yung ano nyo? Mali pala yung information nyo, nagpapakalat kayo ng misinformation. Ganun dapat. Pero kung tama yung information, hindi mo na kailangan alamin yung sources nila dahil karapatan nilang proteksyonan ng kanilang sources. Karapatan ng
Ngayon pa nga
media
lang,
yun.
Hindi pa nalalaman na confirm.
Meron nga eh, meron nga, di ba?
Kongreso, di ba?
Sa Kongreso is 2.2, 2.66. Pero yung 1.8 mismo, pupunta kay Martin lahat.
Then Martin has to answer, Hope.
Yun nga.
Yun yung point ko. Ang sa akin kasi,
Ayaw mo pasagutin si Martin. Ano
Kung sagutin mo siya. Sabihin mo sa kanya, Congressman Martin, ano?
Hindi ba nga ito, pakipahiya nga itong SMNI para mawala na ng kredibilidad?
hindi ibig sabihin na ayaw kong pasagutin si MR. Okay?
Oh, ba't mo ini-issue?
No. Ang ini-issue ko, wala akong ini-issue. Wala akong ini-issue.
Kung kanino galing yung information.
I'm just asking, di ba pwede ako magtanong?
Ang problema nga, media yung tinatanong mo.
You're asking the
Hindi ba
wrong
pwede-
questions, Hope eh.
Bakit hindi ako pwede magtanong? Kung pwede kayo
The wrong
magtanong,
questions.
nagtatanong ako.
Nagtatanong ka, but you're asking the wrong questions. And you're spending your energy in the
How
wrong...
come it is a wrong question?
Okay.
Why are you questioning
question?
I'm
the
going to
source?
answer. Actually, sinagot ko na kanina, ilang beses na. Pero ito, Hope, ang mas direktang sagot. It is a wrong question because they hold our money. Okay? It is not your business to know whether, kung sino yung nagsabi sa kanila na 1.8 imputable to Martin Romualdez. Because at the end of the day, that money and how it is spent is the ultimate responsibility of the House of Representatives to explain. So that is why your question is irrelevant.
For you.
No, for all of us.
For you nga, not for you. For you
Actually,
here.
Hope, pati sa akin, pati kay si Haya, pati kay Romy Ray.
Hope, I have a very, parang, common
Para
sense
sa
question
amin,
for
ikaw lang
you.
nag-iisa eh. Hope, ikaw lang
Answer
nag-iisa.
me, Hope. I have a very
Wala,
common
doesn't
sense
mean
question
is
for
one
you.
person only.
Okay,
You
so
guys.
if
Di ba
if
pwedeng you guys?
if you have kasambahay, no, and then binigyan mo ng pera mag-grocery and stuff like that, tapos nawala yung pera, and then or let's say na-spend yung pera that you're not sure of, and someone told you a source na ganito yung spend niya for personal use niya, pero walang proof. So how would you verify it? 'Di ba? You would ask that person to explain. Very common sense, Hope. Walang liquidation,
Don't
di ba?
even sure to
Walang
that
liquidation.
success.
That's the problem with the Congress. There's no liquidation. How would you
Si Haya naman.
know?
Paulit-ulit tayo eh.
Ikaw lang paulit-ulit.
Makinig ka, Hope.
Sorry.
Makinig ka, Hope.
I'm okay
Ha?
with it to
Hope,
question.
makinig ka, Hope. Journalists
I'm
and
okay.
other
Wait
media
lang pala.
practitioners.
I'm okay.
Wait lang
Ako
pala.
na.
Ang
Wala.
problem kasi ni Hope, sabi niya,
Wala
dapat
lang sa
daw,
akin.
sigurado
Yung mga
yung
kwe-
1.8,
yung mga-
di ba?
wait lang,
tama,
Miss
tama,
Joey.
Hope. Yun yung problema
Miss-
mo eh.
Miss
Sana
Joey,
kuha yung 1.8.
Sa akin
Tama?
kasi, yes. Akin kasi, Miss Joey, I'm okay with it na questionin yung amount. Wala akong problema dyan. Kahit anong paliwanag nyo dyan, we are one with that. Hindi rin ako okay doon sa pagpa-franchise, pagko-question, kaya I'm one with that.
Hindi naman
Okay?
yung issue, hindi ka rin naman namin kino-question
Yeah.
dun sa part na yun eh. Kine-question ka lang namin doon sa problema mo na bakit dapat sigurado dun sa 1.8. Yun lang naman yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, Ho.
Yes, yes. Kasi gusto ko lang
Aspect
siguro.
na nag-agree tayo, dun lang tayo
Why?
nag-agree.
Because siguro, kung hindi media yung nag-insinuate nun, or from, hindi ko kasi na as media
Now,
kasi.
nasagot na yan ni nasagot na ni Kalipi yan eh. Now, paikot-ikot na tayo, Ho. Okay?
Hindi. Yun kasi yung reason ko kung bakit
Wait,
kailangan kong
wait,
i-question yun eh.
Wait, this is
So, anong gusto mo, Hope?
This has already been discussed. Yung kasing argument mo, media kasi sila, and so, like what Kalipi said, media actually has the right to protect their sources. They are not bound to reveal it to you. Okay? What we are talking here is a very, very public duty. So, ibig sabihin, 1.8 yan, 1.9, 1.7, 1 billion, 1.2, it doesn't matter, Hope. Because ultimately, it is the responsibility of the House of Representatives to explain to us how they spent our money. So, hindi ko magets kung bakit kailangan, saan galing yung 1.8? Kaya nga sinasabi sa napaka-irrelevant tong question mo. I mean, between putting your energy sa pagpuwersa dito sa House of Representatives na sumagot sila, dun ka nakafocus sa 1.8 na dapat kasi sure. That is what we cannot understand. Now, for you, it is something that is valuable. Then, that's you. We cannot change. We cannot force you to change what you think about it. But what we are all saying here is that you are banking on, on something that is totally irrelevant. You're banking your argument on something that is totally irrelevant. So, yung media kasi siya. If you're going to say something like that, na media kasi siya. And so, this is not the first time that a media is going to have a talking point in reference to what their source told them that cannot be revealed. Hindi the first time, Ho.
Pero meron kasi.
At saka, Ma'am Joey,
meron silang
Hope, dadagdagan ko lang,
documents
Joe.
ata, mga media before they say something.
So, Hope, ang gusto
Meron
mo,
ako sasabihin.
in order for you to be satisfied, is you want to have a document.
Pasagutin natin si Hope. Ano yung gusto mong isagot, Hope?
No, I think that very lang siguro sa akin yung I'm with you with that, Miss Joey naman. Regarding dun sa I guess tama ka dun sa sinasabi na I took so much effort on asking that question. Siguro for me kasi I'm thinking like Rappler, if Rappler doesn't have certain good insinuating something, galit din ako doon. Kasi media sila, I'm taking them as media. Same as this, kapag ABS-CBN doing something
No, Rappler can actually ask those questions. Kaya nga yung Rappler, kahit balahura yung mga tanong nila, sinasagot sila ng gobyerno ni PRRD eh. That's why PRRD's government is exceptional. They actually insinuated post-it na parang hindi ka ito malisyoso kasi may post-it and they actually made an entire story about
Yung kay Bongo na lang.
What did Bongo, wait lang Uncle Ayan, what did Bongo do? He explained everything based on an insinuation. You might be angry at Rappler dahil parang itong Rappler kasi mapaggawa ng mga kwentong hindi maganda, ganyan. But you know what? Yung mga magaganda nilang kwento, sinasagot ng gobyerno nung panahon ni Duterte.
Yeah.
Dagdagan ko pa.
Same
Yung part
angriness
kasi na
din.
yun, yung part kasi na yun, Hope, yung sinasabi mo na, hindi kasi dapat kasi sure, dapat, walang ganon. Part to ng freedom of expression. Ngayon, you cannot dictate anybody on how they're going to exercise it. If they're going to exercise it sweetly, kindly, offensively, it's none of your business, Hope. Si Haya, palag meron kang idadagdag and then si Haya. Then-
Ito lang idadagdag ko, Hope, dun sa sinabi ni Ma'am Joey, no? Kasi funny fact to, ha. Duterte actually nung term niya, he signed yung sinasabi ng isang nag-comment sa baba, na sasabihin ko na rin sana kanina, Republic Act 11458 na pinoproteksyonan yung mga journalists to reveal the source of any news item, report or information appearing of or being reported or disseminated unless the court or Congress ask for it. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng hearing sa Congress, inimbita yung SMNI para i-reveal nila yung kanilang source or ilabas nila yung mga information na ni-reveal ng source nila. Pero protektado kasi sila ng batas. Kaya yung question mo, irrelevant, yun ang ibig sabihin naming lahat.
Yeah. Okay, so I think yung media kasi sila, something that we can put to rest. Si Haya, go. May gusto kang itanong. May gusto kang point out.
Wala, sasabihin ko lang kasi parang in order for Hope to be satisfied, he wants some documents and he wants some parang tangible proof talaga. Paano mo yan gagawin? Paano mahahanapin yan? Nga, liquidation wala, di ba? Kaya nagtatanong. Paulit-ulit tayo, kaya nagtatanong. Is there something wrong with asking our politicians to be accountable with certain
Saka-
stuff?
At saka Ma'am si Haya, di ba?
Ay, sorry, SMNI, mali kayo. Hindi 1.6, fake news kayo. Ay, hindi 1.8. Fake news kayo, 1.7. O, di ba?
At saka Ma'am Joey, di ba hindi sila pwedeng kasuhan nun? Bakit? Kasi nagtatanong kayo, hindi ka nag-accuse. If you're, pagka halimbawa, si Ayan is a public figure, a government employee or official. At tinanong ko si Ayan, Sir Ayan, meron ka nga bang 1 billion bank account na hindi mo naman naidiga sa mga Pilipino or hindi mo nailabas sa iyong salin or whatever? Diba? Tapos, sinagot ni Ayan na wala. Wala kang makikitang ganyan. Ito, kahit buksan ko pa ang bangko ko sa'yo, wala kang makikita. So, hindi niya ako pwedeng kasuhan kasi nagtatanong lang ako, hindi ako nag-a-accuse. Pero kung ang sinabi ko, si Ayan may tinatagong pera, 2 billion sa kanyang bank account. Nakuha niya yan dahil nakurakot niya. Wala naman pala akong basihan. Pwede niya ako sampahan ng kaso. Ganun lang kasimple yon. Pero protektado nga sila ng batas, so hindi nila i-reveal yung source at yung lahat ng information na hinihingi
Actually, it
mo.
can also be this, Kalipi, no? Like, for example, oy, ikaw, President Ayan, meron ka raw tinatagong bank account. Sasagot si President Ayan, oh, wala akong tinatago, wala akong ganito, sabihin ko, meron ka raw tinatagong wealth na hindi mo dineclare sa salin mo. Ha, hindi, lahat, dineclare ko sa salin ko, Sabing ganun, sumagat ng ganun si Ayan. O, pagkatapos, talaga ha, eto ang proof ko. Di ba pa pwede rin na ganun di ba? You want to solicit an answer first. Kung magsasabi ba siya ng totoo o hindi. And then, later on, saka mo ilalabas yung proof mo. Ngayon, yung mga ganitong bagay kasi, you cannot dictate on how people are going to exercise their rights. You cannot dictate on, hindi kasi dapat ganito, dapat sure, dapat ganyan-ganyan. No one would have a right on how to dictate how others are going to exercise their freedom. So, yun lang, no? Take note of that. Uncle Ayan, you wanted to share